the season of strawberries and it's time to make Mahabaleshwar's famous strawberry and cream that's irresistibly delicious and extremely easy to make. This fruity, luscious dessert can make for the perfect ending to your special meals. So let's get started. To make strawberry and cream, first of all we are going to whip up some cream. So take a bowl which I had kept in the refrigerator for 1 hour and place it over another bowl with ice cold water. Add 1 cup of whipping cream powder. I have shared the purchase link in description box. Add a bit of chilled water. Now mix the powder and water manually once so that the powder doesn't spread all over. Then start whipping it, gradually increasing the speed till you get soft peaks. Now add puree of 5 medium-sized bright red strawberries. I have just blended the strawberries in a blender jar without adding any water. Mix it well. This will give a beautiful strawberry flavor to the cream and also make it light pink in color. The whipped cream is ready. Transfer it into a piping bag. Now take a glass and add a few strawberry slices. Add some whipped cream. You can use any nozzle you want. I am using the large star nozzle. Add a few strawberry slices again, followed by 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Some more strawberry slices and then the whipped cream. Strawberries again. Two scoops of vanilla ice cream. Now fill the remaining portion of the glass with whipped cream. Lastly, add a few drops of the leftover strawberry puree. And we are done. Mahabaleshwar style strawberry and cream is ready to be served. If you like this recipe, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.